Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lina.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Lina. We're really happy you're here today.
If you enjoy calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Adam, let me ask you something. Do you have a goal in your life right now?
That's a good question.
Today, we're talking about your goals in English.
Yes, simple and real English for daily life.
It's a quiet morning today.
Yes, it's about 9 o'clock.
The weather is cool and calm.
I like mornings like this.
Me too. They help me think. Lina, how do you feel today?
I feel good, but a little busy.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Yes, work and plans.
I see. Do you have any goals this year?
Yes, I do.
What is your goal?
My goal is to stay healthy.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
How will you do that?
I will eat healthy food.
Like vegetables and fruit?
Yes, and I will walk every day.
Walking is good.
It helps me relax.
Relax means calm.
Exactly.
I also have a goal.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What is it?
My goal is to improve my English.
That's a great goal.
Thank you. Sometimes I feel tired after work.
That's normal.
I want to study, but I feel sleepy.
Sleepy means you want to sleep.
Yes, very sleepy. That is my small problem.
I understand.
I don't know when to study.
You can study a little.
Just a little?
Yes, maybe 10 minutes a day.
That sounds easy. So I don't need to study for hours.
No, short time is okay.
That makes me feel better.
Small steps help.
Lina, do you write your goals?
Yes, I do.
Where do you write them?
In a notebook.
I see.
Writing helps me remember.
I never write my goals.
Maybe you can try.
Maybe I can.
You should try something simple.
Like one sentence?
Yes, one sentence is enough.
My goal is to speak English every day.
Perfect sentence.
I feel proud when I say it.
You should feel proud.
Lina, when do you work on your goals?
In the morning.
Why in the morning?
Because my mind is fresh.
Fresh means clear.
Yes, clear and ready.
I usually feel fresh in the evening.
That's okay.
Everyone is different.
Exactly.
Sometimes people ask me about my goals.
What do they ask?
They ask, "What is your goal?"
That's a common question.
I feel shy to answer.
That happens.
What can I say if I feel shy?
You can keep it simple.
Like what?
You can say, I want to learn English.
That's easy.
Yes, simple is good.
I don't need long answers.
No, you don't.
Short answers feel safe.
Yes, safe and clear.
Lina, do goals always work?
Not always.
Oh, really?
Sometimes plans change.
That makes sense. When plans change, I feel confused.
Confused means not sure.
Yes, not sure what to do next.
You can change your goal.
Change it?
Yes, that's okay.
I thought goals must stay the same.
No, goals can change.
That's good to hear.
Life changes, so goals change.
I feel less pressure now.
Pressure means stress.
Yes, stress.
Less pressure is good.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
What is your goal?
My goal is to stay healthy.
How will you do that?
I will walk every day.
That sounds nice. Now your turn.
What is your goal?
My goal is to speak English better.
How will you do that?
I will practice every day.
Very good.
That felt natural.
Yes, very natural.
Real English is not difficult.
Exactly.
So today we talked about goals.
Yes, simple goals in daily life.
We learned how to say what our goals are.
And how to talk about problems and solutions.
I feel ready to talk more about this.
Me too.
Maybe next we can talk about long-term goals.
That sounds interesting.
I'm curious to continue.
Same here.
Hi again, Lina.
Hi, Adam. You look thoughtful today.
Yes, I'm thinking about goals again.
That's good. Thinking helps.
It's later in the morning now.
Yes, almost 11 o'clock.
The weather is still nice.
Sunny and calm.
Calm weather makes me feel relaxed.
Relaxed means calm and comfortable.
Adam, I talked to a friend yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yes, we talked about goals.
What did your friend say?
He said his goal is to get a better job.
That's a common goal.
He asked me about my goal.
And what did you say?
I said, my goal is to improve my English.
Very clear.
He smiled and said it was a good goal.
That feels nice.
Yes, it made me feel confident.
Confidence means feeling sure.
Feeling sure when I speak.
Exactly.
Adam, do people have many goals or one goal?
Some people have many goals.
And some people have one goal?
Yes, both are okay.
I think I have many small goals.
That's good.
Big goals feel scary.
That's true for many people.
Small goals feel easy.
Easy goals help you move forward.
Move forward means make progress.
Yes, step by step.
Sometimes I don't finish my goals.
That happens.
Then I feel bad.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
Hard means strict?
Yes, strict or tough.
I see.
You can try again tomorrow.
Tomorrow is a new day.
Exactly.
That makes me feel hopeful.
Hopeful means you feel positive.
Adam, how do you stay motivated?
I remind myself why I started.
Why I started.
Yes, why your goal is important.
My goal is important because I want to talk to people.
That's a great reason.
I want to travel and speak English.
That sounds exciting.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Me too.
Travel can be a goal too.
I want to travel next year.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe another country.
That's nice.
I need English for that.
Yes, English helps a lot.
That gives me motivation.
Motivation means energy to continue.
I feel motivated now.
That's great.
But sometimes I feel lazy.
Lazy means you don't want to work.
Yes, exactly. What do you do when you feel lazy?
I do something small.
Something small?
Yes, like 5 minutes.
5 minutes feels easy.
That's the idea.
Then I often continue.
Yes, starting is the hard part.
That's true.
Once you start, it's easier.
I like that advice.
You should try it.
I will try it tonight.
Good plan.
I will read for 5 minutes.
Perfect.
Adam, do goals change with time?
Yes, they do.
Why?
Because people change.
That makes sense. My goal last year was different.
What was it?
My goal was to save money.
That's important too.
Now my goal is English.
Goals can change.
I'm happy to hear that.
It's normal.
Sometimes people ask, why is this your goal?
Yes, that's a common question.
How do I answer?
You can say, because it's important to me.
Because it's important to me.
Simple and honest.
Or I can say, it helps me in my life.
Yes, that works too.
English helps me in my life.
Very good.
I like short answers.
Short answers are good for beginners.
They feel safe.
Yes, safe and clear.
Adam, do you talk about goals often?
Sometimes.
With friends?
Yes, with close friends.
I feel shy with new people.
That's okay.
I can still say one sentence.
Exactly. One sentence is enough.
What is your goal?
My goal is to stay healthy and happy.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
How will you do that?
I will eat well and rest.
Rest means relax.
Yes, relax and sleep well.
Sleep is important.
Very important.
When I don't sleep, I feel tired.
And tired makes everything harder.
That's true.
Goals also need rest.
I never thought about that.
Balance is important.
Balance means not too much.
Yes, not too much work.
And not too much stress.
Exactly.
I feel calmer now.
Calm means relaxed.
Talking helps me.
I'm glad.
Let's practice again.
Okay.
What is your goal right now?
My goal is to practice English every day.
How will you do that?
I will watch short videos and speak.
That sounds easy. Now my turn.
Go ahead.
My goal is to feel confident in English.
Very nice.
So today we talked more about goals.
Yes, why goals matter and how they change.
We talked about motivation and small steps.
And how to answer simple questions about goals.
I think there is still more to talk about.
Yes, like future goals.
Or long-term goals.
Exactly.
That sounds interesting.
We can continue next time.
I'd like that. Hello again, Lina.
Hi, Adam. It's nice to be back.
Yes, it feels calm today.
It does. It's early afternoon now.
I just had lunch.
Oh, really? What did you eat?
I had rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
I'm trying to eat better.
That's a good goal.
Today I was thinking about future goals.
Future goals are important.
Sometimes they feel big.
That's normal. Big goals can feel scary.
I feel unsure when I think too far.
Unsure means not confident.
Yes, not confident about the future.
You don't need all the answers now.
That helps.
You can think one step at a time.
One step sounds easier.
Exactly.
Lina, what is a long-term goal?
A long-term goal is a goal for the future.
Like next year or later?
Yes, maybe in 1 year or 5 years.
My long-term goal is to speak English fluently.
That's a great goal.
Fluently means smoothly.
Yes, without stopping too much.
I want to talk easily with people.
That's very common.
Sometimes I worry I'm too slow.
Slow is okay. Learning takes time.
I like when you say that.
I'm glad.
It makes me feel patient.
Patient means you can wait calmly.
Yes, I need patience.
We all do.
Do you have a long-term goal, Lina?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
My goal is to have a balanced life.
Balanced life sounds nice. What does balanced mean?
Balanced means not too much work and not too much stress.
I like that idea.
Me too.
I work a lot during the week.
That can be tiring.
Tiring means it makes me tired.
Yes,
On weekends, I want to rest more.
that's a good plan.
Rest helps me feel fresh.
Fresh means ready and clear.
I notice when I rest, I study better.
That's true for many people.
Studying when tired is hard.
Yes, very hard.
Lina, what do you do when a goal feels too hard?
I break it into small goals.
Small goals again.
Yes, they help a lot.
Can you give an example?
Sure. If my goal is to stay healthy, I walk every day.
Just walking?
Yes, simple walking.
That feels easy.
Easy goals help you continue.
Continue means keep going.
Exactly.
I sometimes stop when it's hard.
That happens.
Then I feel disappointed.
Disappointed means sad because something didn't work.
Yes, that feeling.
You can try again tomorrow.
Tomorrow gives a new chance.
Yes, every day is a new chance.
I like that way of thinking.
Positive thinking helps.
Positive means good.
Yes, good and hopeful.
I talked to my family about my goals.
That's nice.
They were supportive.
Supportive means they help you.
They said, "We believe in you."
That feels good to hear.
Yes, it gave me energy.
Energy means strength to do things.
Goals need energy.
Yes, and encouragement.
Encouragement means kind words.
Exactly.
What if people don't support your goals?
That can happen.
Then what should I do?
You can still believe in yourself.
Believe in myself.
Yes, your goals are your choice.
That's important.
Very important.
I feel stronger when I think like that.
I'm happy to hear that.
Talking helps me understand.
Talking is good practice, too.
I want to practice answering goal questions again.
Okay, let's do it.
What is your goal this year?
My goal is to feel calm and healthy.
How will you do that?
I will rest, eat well, and walk.
Very clear.
Thank you.
Now your turn.
Okay, what is your goal, Adam?
My goal is to speak English with confidence.
How will you do that?
I will practice every day, even a little.
That's a great answer.
It feels easier now.
Practice makes it easier.
Sometimes people ask, why is that your goal?
Yes, that question comes often.
I can say, because it helps me in my life.
Perfect.
Or, because it's important to me.
Also very good.
Short answers are enough.
Yes, short and honest.
I feel more ready to talk about goals now.
That's wonderful.
Real English feels simple.
Yes, real English is about connection.
So today we talked about goals again.
Yes, future goals and long-term goals.
We learned how to keep goals simple.
And how to stay calm and positive.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
We hope this topic helped you feel more confident.
Thanks for learning English with us.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Take care, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.